Search Console knows the exact questions people ask to reach your pages, but it shows them to you as a flat list of strings and clicks. This connects your Search Console and reads that data for AI. Which queries you should own, which pages are closest, and the questions your pages get found for, but never actually answer. It pulls your queries and classifies them, with an AI-tuned model, into what matters. High-confidence AI opportunities, branded versus non-branded, the ones trending up. It keeps 90 days of daily history, so you see movement, not just a snapshot, and it flags pages that aren't indexed with the reason why. AI engines don't search your exact prompt. They break it into 4 to 8 sub-questions and search each one. So this groups your queries into the clusters an engine would actually fan out into, and shows whether you rank for the sub-questions, not just the headline. Ranking for the fan out is how you get pulled into the answer. Then the sharpest tool. For every query a page gets found for, it checks the page itself and labels the query 3 ways. Answered in a heading, buried somewhere in the body, or missing entirely. Missing means people are arriving with a question your page never answers. That's a citation you're leaving on the table. Made visible. And it closes the gap for you. On a missing query, one click drafts an answer with AI and adds it to the page's FAQ, written from your content in your FAQ block. The question people were already asking now has an answer on the page, marked up for engines to lift. Demand in, answer out. Search Console Insights and the AI Query Explorer are part of AEO God Mode Pro, and it all starts free. Search AEO God Mode under Add New Plugins, install the free plugin, and lay the groundwork. Connect Search Console and close your query gaps when you upgrade. No card to start. Begin at aeogodmode.io